Ngayon, pupunta kami sa Ecos. Para sa birthday celebration ni Bebe bukas. Oh, sir. Tulad-tulad ang ano. Oh, may...
Yung dapat pantangan.
Ayun yung Ecos. Ayun yung Ecos Hotel.
No more. Isa lang to. Isa lang to.
Hindi lang, hindi ko may sobrang.
Okay lang yan. Ay, sorry. Hey, Aaron! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! One, two, three, go!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Ayun na, kuya! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Pulang-pula na. Umiinig na sa Eddie.
Kaya mo pag umiinom, ganyan din ako.
Mamaya na, Brad!
Kaya ko alam ko na sarili kong namumula.
Pulang-pula na sa Eddie.
Wala, hindi ka tatamaan.
Ari, sa lugar ka, nagsukal yan, ha?
Putang ina, labas ko yun sa labas. Hindi, okay.
Pag ayaw mo na, huwag yung tako yung
Uy, wag ka oo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang ulutan. Happy birthday. Sana'y manasing mo kami. Happy birthday, sex mami. Yes, yes. Happy birthday Okay, slow! Slow nyo! 1, 2, 3, go!
Uy, tol, first of all, happy 19th birthday sa'yo. Wishing you all the best, more adventures pa, and good health for you. And I hope your dreams is maabot mo lahat ng yon. Then, sana, more sleep over pa sa inyo. Hindi, joke lang yun. Tol, thank you for always having me back and for being an awesome friend, man. Solid ka talaga. Then, lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang kami sa tabi mo na handang sumuporta sa'yo, tol. Lagi mong tatandaan yun, men. Enjoy your day, tol. Happy 19th birthday sa'yo.
Hello. Happiest birthday, pre. Di ko na to papahabain kasi wala na ako storage, no? Kidding aside, I hope that all your wishes come true. And never forget to take care of yourself. Wish you a good health. And always remember na nandito kami. And also, God, never forget to call on Him kasi alam ko na He will guide you. Just trust in Him and allow Him to lead you to the right path, no? And gusto ko lang i-remind ka na huwag ka masyadong mag-overthink. Ba't kasi nag-overthink lagi yan, no? Yun nga, one step at a time, no? Take it slow. Hindi lahat ng bagay is kailangan imadali. So, yun nga. Huwag ka mag-overthink, pre. No, kawawa utak sa'yo. Yun lang. More birthdays to come. See you soon. Treat yourself and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday. Alam kong mabait ka, pero iwas pasaway, iwas pa ka ba? More blessing pa sa inyong mga santos. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Harold.
Hello! So, happy 19th birthday, Harold. I hope na na-surprise ka sa pa-vid greet ko since kinontraba lang ako ni tita sa pa-mini surprise niya for you. And I wish for your good health as always. And yun, durang ka na, 19 ka na. Joke. And take care. And I hope that you enjoyed your day, your birthday there. And yun, God bless. Happy birthday ulit.